Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Real quick, I just wanted to apologize for my long hiatus and how videos have not been up, super consistently, but we've got moved into the new house here and we've got another baby on the way, so he'll be here very, very soon. But I just wanted to make this video real quick. Superclean has once again sponsored a giveaway for the channel. And if you're over on TikTok, this may seem a little confusing, but my name is Brandon and I run the SnowDrift YouTube channel, and I'm going to be hosting the giveaway over on this platform as well. So thank you all for being a part of it. And you don't have to pay anything, you don't have to purchase anything. This is just a way for me to give back to the community. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys so very much. And again, I'm sorry for the inconsistencies, but we do have a lot of stuff coming. I've got a lot of stuff filmed, but it'll be coming down the pipeline pretty soon. But for this, all you got to do is I'm going to do the 3 platforms I'm going to do, that I do anyway. I've got Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, of course, YouTube being the main platform that I run on. So what you're going to get is one of these aerosol cans from Superclean. I use these a lot. I use it for the grill, the countertops, things like that. We use this stuff all the time. And then you've also got the spray bottle. I actually dilute this stuff down and then I soak parts in it to help decrease it. So you're going to get those 2 things. And the only stipulation to the giveaway is that you have to be in the United States, not in Alaska or Hawaii. You have to be in the continental United States. So sorry for some of my Australian viewers and a few other people out there, forgive me. But if you're in the US and you want to get entered in to win, free cleaning supplies from Superclean, then all you got to do is subscribe to YouTube, follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. Just comment down below on the photo or on the videos and just say giveaway or something like that, so that way I know that you want to get entered in. And I'll give you guys about a month, and then I will pick a winner, and I will get in contact with you separately or send you a DM or something like that. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, good luck to all of you. GoPro, phone, and thank you guys so much again for all that you do and viewing and things like that. And if you're over on TikTok and you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go to my description and go over to YouTube and give me a subscribe if you like cars and motorcycles and some DIY stuff and things like that. So thank you guys all so very much, and good luck to you.